Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change your payment method on Temu. If you want to use a different payment method for your Temu purchases, you can easily update your payment information during checkout or manage your saved payment methods. So firstly, in order to get started, open the Temu app and make sure you have signed into your account already. And make sure you have also added the product you like to purchase to your cart and tap to the cart icon here on the bottom. Over here under the cart, what you need to do is you need to select the checkout in the bottom right. So over here, you can find this payment methods for your PayPal, Apple Pay or the card as well. And you can simply select the payment method that you would like to use. Depending on your region, you may be able to pay with a credit or debit, PayPal, Apple Pay or Google Pay or other supported payment methods. And once you've entered your payment information, you need to follow the on-screen instruction and save if prompted, and then select the new payment method for your order. And before completing your purchase, review your order summary to make sure the correct payment method is selected. And after that, you can proceed to it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.